Here at the world premiere of the CUPRA Tavascan in Berlin, and as you can see, it is CUPRA's first ever SUV coupe. It has an electric born, and so we know that brand already, and we were there last year when we had the Urban Rebel concept, but here we have the CUPRA Tavascan. At the front, you've got those LED matrix headlights with those diagonal three signature that's going to be a CUPRA moving along. It's going to be the first series production car with an illuminated badge on the front of it, so we haven't seen that anywhere before in Europe. Usually it was a legislation. It's got that lovely helmet design, got A-pillars in black so the roof looks like it's floating. Size of the Tavascan, 4.6 meters long, 1.9 meters wide. It is 1.6 meters tall and a wheelbase of 2.8. Alloys coming 19s, 20s and 21s. On the 19-inch it's 235 width at the front, 255 width at the back, and then on the 20s and 21s it's got 255 front and back. It is a rear-wheel drive like we have across all the IDs, so this will be the same MEB platform in underneath as the ID4, the Skoda Enyaq. I'm actually driving the Skoda Enyaq Coupe this week, and it has that sloping roofline at the back. Powertrains, that rear-wheel drive is going to have a 210 kilowatt motor giving 286 PS of power, and then there's going to be an all-wheel drive 250 kilowatt motor across both axles giving you 340 horsepower. Charging, we're probably going to be getting some 11 kilowatt in AC, probably 175 on DC. You can charge 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. Range, you're looking at 550 kilometers WLTP. Boot, you're going to have 540 litres, no frunk inside this. Externally, we're going to have 6 colours. We're going to have different trim levels, so they're going to be 2 different trim levels. And then interior, you're going to have that spine design that you start to see very organic across the CUPRA brand. 15-inch screen like we would have seen recently on the ID7. I'll stick that video up on the screen. You're going to have that new HMI interface. You've got the sport bucket seats. You've got that panoramic sunroof. Overall, this car kind of reminds me of a Polestar 3, Polestar 4, kind of that hunched looking feel. Trying to think what else I forgot. We're here and we're trying to remember everything as people walking past the camera. It's all cool, it's all cool. Round the rear you've got those real distinctive CUPRA lights as well, so really nice to see it. This is going to be something different on the road.
This video is in partnership with Nevo.ie, Ireland's only dedicated electric vehicle platform. Browse every electric vehicle, make, model, new and used on Nevo.ie. You can view each model in different colours, learn about the specs and features and watch even more EV reviews. You can compare your favourite models with the handy comparison tool and plan your next trip with the EV Journey Planner. Head over to Nevo.ie today.
We first saw this CUPRA Tavascan at IAA in 2019. It's going to be produced in China. They're hoping to produce between 50 and 80,000 cars a year. McPherson suspension on the front and multi-link in the rear. The selectable sports dynamic chassis control. And then it's got that high fidelity 12-speaker audio system in collaboration with Sennheiser. And don't forget, there will be a CUPRA app that you can control everything from the... Hopefully you've enjoyed my first look of the CUPRA Tavascan here in Berlin. It is a mosh pit down here. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment, and remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me and I'll review. Thank you very much for watching.